This cordless reciprocating saw from Milwaukee cut through nearly everything. Use it on aluminum, masonry, PVC, plastics, and wood. It can handle these jobs. Speaking of handles, this convenient tool is designed to give you one-handed operation. This is particularly useful for jobs that require you to hold the material you're cutting. Now let's talk about the features that enhance this tool's abilities. Its dual-gear counterbalance mechanism reduces vibration, and its rubber seal and weep holes protect the tool against water and debris. Do you need a one-handed reciprocating saw that cuts through everything you throw at it? JB Tools has the best price on this Milwaukee M18 FUEL HACKZALL. Shop with us and save.